Welcome to www.outrageous-advertising.com. Today's topic, Navigating Small Business Advertising. The world of advertising can be a complicated place that a small business owner may struggle to understand, but outrageous advertising makes all of it far clearer. The years of study that many people do to find the best, most effective advertising methods for their business aren't necessary if the business owner can find a way to tell the customers exactly what they need to hear to get them interested in the advertising message. Outrageous advertising isn't outrageous to the customer who hears it, though it may be outrageous to the stodgy advertising companies who want everyone to spend years developing a brand. Much of their advertising methods rely on steadily building brand recognition, which can take years. This isn't what most small business owners want or need. They don't have years to turn a profit. They need customers coming in now in order to keep the business profitable. To do this, outrageous advertising is a method of cutting out all of the ineffective advertising messages and to instead deliver a message that will work. While some advertising methods only serve to deliver a brand name or a business slogan to the prospective customers, outrageous advertising delivers a far more substantial message. The message is less about what the business is and why people should be interested. Instead, it's a message about what that company can do for the people who receive the advertising message. That's what customers want to hear about today. They're surrounded by advertising messages, and they simply don't have time to weed through them all. They won't take the time to learn more about a company simply because they've been told all about it. Instead, they want to know what it will do for them. That will inspire them to take the time to learn more about the company or anything else they want to know about what the company has to sell to them. A small business owner doesn't have to take more time than is necessary to learn about how to advertise their business if they can access the information from someone else who has been there. What works best for a large multinational corporation will not work best for a small local retail store. A small business owner who has been there before and have engaged in effective advertising campaigns can provide a lot of guidance as to which types of advertising will be most effective for small businesses. Outrageous advertising is a great way to cut through a lot of the extraneous information that many advertising methods attempt to deliver to the community. Instead, it distills the most essential part of the advertising message, the part that customers really want to hear about, and gives just that message to the customer. This means that less advertising can do the job of what a larger, less effective advertising method can do. This keeps small business advertising costs small, and it gets just the right message to just the right audience for the best performance. For more information on topics like this, go to www.outrageous-advertising.com.